Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you some more of my recent Kaisercraft haul. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. First of all, I got another pack of wood flourishes. This one is different to the first one. If I can get in it, we'll have a look. Again, this is 20 flourishes for $10, which means you're getting them for 50 cents each. If you get these orders, keep this cardstock. They're good for album covers and things. Let's start with the rainbow. We have some balloons, decorative locks, bunny clips, arrows. We have a fairy castle, hands, more hands. This one says today, remember, love this, and a today clip. Ladders, Victoria mannequin, two really cute Christmas flourishes. This one is called Holly Curl. This one is just called Flourish. Then we have awards. Imagine that went with Game On or something like that. Oh wow, there's a huge one in here. This one is Twig and Berries. Well, we know what collection that went with. This one is Bird Bath. I like that. That's awesome. That's huge. And then this one is Decorative Bottles. Then we have Dominoes. Then a couple of big ones. We've got Lilac Leaves, 3D Bauble. And then this huge one is called Door Frames. Wow, that's massive. All of them were $10. That's a bargain. That's why I grabbed another one of them. When I do an order, I go and have a really good look at what's in them. If you didn't know, for the Kaisercraft website, when you're on there, if you let your page fully load, then you can take your mouse and hover over and it will make these blow up a bit bigger so you can actually see what's in the packets rather than blindly buying. The only one it's not good for is the sticker packs, and I'm interested in the sticker packs, but you can't really see what's in them, so it makes it hard to want to buy them. I don't really want to spend $20 on something if I'm not going to like what's in it. And I also got this collectible pack. This is DP452. I ummed and ahed about getting this one. I almost didn't buy this one at all. This one we have Now Boarding, Mistletoe, Summer Splash, Chase Rainbows, and Game On. We'll start with Game On and have a look at what we get in there. I did get a couple of pieces of Game On paper from some of the clearance packs I've uploaded previously. We've got Sports Record. This one has over 50 pieces. Final score, 4th place, 2nd place, 3rd place, 1st place, 4th place, Succeed, Courage, Attitude, Winners, Cup, number 1 medals, a couple more cups, Great Effort Stars, Superstar, another cup, Personal Best, Today's Champion, Best on Ground Today because, 2nd place, Team Effort, 3rd place, 1st place, Train Hard, Kick Butt, Blood, Sweat and Tears, Best on Ground Today because, Sports Achievement, another Sports Achievement, a Dumbbell, a Today tab, Be Awesome tab, So Proud tab, High Five tab, Extra Special and Champion tabs, Believe in Yourself, Winners are Grinners, Believe Achieve, Water Bottle, Timer, MVP, Most Valuable Player, B&F, Best and Fairest, Don't Run Away from Challenges, Run Over Them, Bigger, Better, Faster, Stronger, a Big Cup and another water bottle. Next up we'll have a look at Mistletoe. Mistletoe has over 50 pieces and we've got Merry Christmas, an ornament, 25, holly, poinsettia, Season's Greetings, Two Joys in red and green, Joy to the World, Merry and Bright, Peace and Love, Joy, a spotty border strip, Merry and Bright, poinsettia with some baubles, plain poinsettia, another border, 25, ornament, Merry and Bright, Merry Little Christmas, another border strip, 'Tis the Season to be Jolly, these little baubley ball plant thingies, I don't know what they are, an ornament, a bunch of ornaments, Moments Captured, Memories in the Making, Happy Holidays, Christmas Trees, Poinsettias and Flowers, Regular Shaped Christmas Trees, We Wish You a Very Merry Christmas, we have that in red and green, another couple of ornaments, another triangle tree, Be Merry, a green 25, more holly leaves, more poinsettias and holly, Merry Christmas, Merry Little Christmas, another large poinsettia cluster, holly leaves, a couple of bitty flowers, and Merry and Bright. Then we have Summer Splash. It has 50 or more pieces. Wet and Wild, Paradise Found, a seashell, beach ball, border, shell border, footprints, beach ball and water tag, surfboard, a surfboard with I Love Summer, another surfboard, full time, fun this way, sandy toes, salty kisses, beach babe, a shell, summer stories, another beach ball, changing hut, life is better at the beach, pool days, adventure, footprints, shell, making memories, another little beach hut and another one. We have remember tab, a big beach ball, shell, rest, relax, repeat, a beach umbrella, fish, good times and tan lines. We have this awesome ticket strip which you could actually cut apart if you wanted to. A beach chair, good times, beach days, fun times, splish splash. If you're not barefoot, you're overdressed. Surf, sand, sunny rays, some surfing ladies, another beach ball tag, palm trees, another beach chair, summer fun, memories to treasure. And then we've got some of these Polaroids, fun times and stars at the bottom. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a surfboard, and that's pretty close, so that can punch out to be a separate piece. The same with this one. Summer is a state of mind. This is the now boarding collectibles, and there are over 50 pieces. We've just got some plain strips to stamp on, some large tabs that we can stamp on, snapshot, a little plane. Of course somebody starts mowing now. We have travel notes, an envelope, remember, documented, moment, pictures, journey, another large tab, around the world with the maps, lots of little tabs, destination, local fair ticket, some arrows, another tab, another little bit you can stamp sentiment on, an arrow, a postmark tag, another tag with some monuments at the bottom, another ticket, another sentiment strip, passenger ticket. This one says passenger, notes, and has a little globe in the corner. We have a compass, where will our journey begin? We have the border strip with the postmarks, travel, journey, another arrow, a bunch of planes, another arrow, camera, loving life, our holiday, another stripy plane this time, adventures, another plane, we make the best memories together, passport stamps, some tickets, an old camera, explore, another old style camera, plane and some tickets, a ship and a globe. And then finally we have Chase Rainbows. This one has 50 plus pieces. We've got these big doilies, giant doilies. So we've got yellowish orange, we have the pink and the green, and then in the small ones we have blue and a paler pink. And we have date, lovely day, love you, love more, worry less. We have the scallop borders, I think I have the paper the same as that. Precious moments, most of all let love guide your life. Day spent together becomes a memory to treasure. Family time, smiles and hugs, love and laughs, smile always, stop and smile, so very grateful, grateful. Life is so sweet, this makes me smile. Thankful, so grateful, arrow, date, another arrow and another arrow. Butterfly, another butterfly, love this, and in pink as well. Pink butterfly this time. A couple of arrows, special times, making memories, another butterfly in shades of pinks and oranges and red, living in the moment, another painted butterfly, hello happiness, smile, today. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. We have these two border strips of doilies, making memories, a butterfly tag, tag without the butterfly at the top, orange butterfly, date, enjoy the little things, and a butterfly tag. This is the collectibles from DP452. All 5 packets for $10, so that's $2 a pack of collectibles. And they have downsized their collectibles now, so it's a good time to get some good value. We also looked at the DP552 Flourishes, and you get 20 Flourishes for $10, which makes them 50 cents a packet, which is a huge bargain. I hope you enjoyed this look at the collectibles. I'm putting these up so that people can see what's in the packs and decide if they want to buy them themselves. I'm hoping it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. I will link my planner channel over here. If you want to see all things plannery, I use a lot of Kaisercraft collections in my planner. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!